If you are ready to move beyond the limitations of single-color plastic, here we have three 3D printers offer a colorful and affordable entry point into the next dimension of making.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Flashforge AD5X 3D printer. The Flashforge AD5X stands out as a high-speed contender that prioritizes ease of use and rapid deployment. The AD5X multicolor budget 3D printer makes things a lot easier if you want to print in multiple colors or materials. It supports up to 4 colors at once, so you can experiment with different filament combinations without constantly swapping them out. Features like auto filament loading and unloading, along with the ability to handle up to 4 kilograms filament auto refill, really cut down on manual work. Great if you're using it regularly or in a more commercial setup. Performance is another strong point. With speeds reaching up to 600 millimeters per second and acceleration of 20 milliseconds square, it's noticeably faster than typical printers. The Core XY all-metal design helps keep prints stable and consistent, even at higher speeds. It also comes packed with smart features that make printing more reliable and beginner-friendly. On number 2, we have Creality Sparx, an 7-3D printer, stepping into the realm of intelligent automation, the Creality Sparx. A 7 brings advanced monitoring to the budget-friendly market. This machine is built around a color combo philosophy, often shipping with a dedicated filament box that manages the routing of multiple materials with minimal waste. The Sparx i7 3D printer makes multicolor printing feel much more seamless, with faster filament switching that keeps things smooth and efficient. It's designed to waste less material too, purging waste by around 50% while improving efficiency by about 15%, so you get cleaner details without wasting time or filament. One of the standout features is the CFS light system, which automatically detects and syncs filament details with the slicer in just one click. That means no manual setup or guesswork. The printer applies the best settings on its own during slicing, which is especially helpful if you're new to 3D printing. It's also very beginner-friendly right out of the box. You can go from unboxing to your first print in under 5 minutes, with no assembly required. On number 3, we have Anycubic Kobra X 3D printer. The Anycubic Kobra X rounds out the list by offering an expansive platform for those who truly want to push the limits of their palette. Why stick to single-color prints when the Kobra X lets you go multicolor right out of the box? It comes with 4 colors built in, and if you want to push things further, you can expand up to 19 colors using additional Ace 2 Pro units, perfect for more detailed and creative projects. It's also designed to cut down on wasted time and material by reducing filament purging and unnecessary movement by over 80%. It not only saves on material costs, but also boosts overall printing speed, making the workflow much more efficient. In terms of performance, it's built to deliver consistent results. The hardened steel nozzle adds durability, while vibration compensation helps keep every layer smooth and precise, even at high speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. From unboxing to printing, it's ready to go in about 15 minutes, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced users. So these are some of the best 3D printers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.